I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the care.
Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away, clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, getting the best of me. Heart been broke so many times.
So now when I put my phone down, I have to bend when I speak to you guys. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana and I'm the host over here, darling, and I would like to thank each and every single one of you guys for coming back and watching and engaging with my content. In today's video, in the first clips that you saw, I was getting my nails done. I got them done at Rebecca's beauty, I think beauty hair studio, something like that. And I also got like some cornrows done there as well. And then I came back home last night. We tried Nigerian food, egusi, it was so nice. And then we slept. So today is a Saturday, it's the 31st of August. And I don't know if I said, but I'm actually attending Tiamo Smith Butelezi's luncheon, 50k besties luncheon. So she hit 50k subscribers on her YouTube channel, so she's hosting a luncheon. So I'm actually going to that tomorrow. So today I'm getting my lashes done so that tomorrow I look like a fine babe, okay, so that I look like a fine girl. And then I think I'll just come back home, prepare my hair, so that tomorrow morning I literally just wake up, bath, install, and then go. So I just need to go get a pair of shoes today. I need to get my lashes done, but unfortunately I have to go do that all the way in Pretoria. I'm asking again, if you live in Midrand or you know of a place where I can get my lashes done for an affordable price in Midrand, please do plug me, guys, because I'm tired of going all the way there. So anyways, all dressed up. My outfit is from Shein, this is from Shein, this is from Shein. Earrings I think are from, I'm not sure, I think my earrings are from Mr. Price. Dress also from Shein. white underneath, also from there, honey. So yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly go now. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be taking a taxi, so I'm not gonna film, but when I get to the place where I get my lashes done, I will. It depends. If I'm doing them at Exotic, I'm talking for too long now. If I'm doing them at Exotic, unfortunately I can't film because it's just a chair, you sit down and then you bend, so I can't film. But if I go to Agnes, there's a bed and I know that I can sit on that bed and film properly on that bed. So I will decide and see what to do. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I will definitely catch you guys later or tomorrow.
I'm riding with you, baby. I know it's been hard lately. It's not meant to be easy. It's not meant to be.
Summer. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but I'm at Mainland Mall. I just came to quickly look for shoes for tomorrow's event. It's currently like 7 p.m. guys. I'm gonna have to Uber back home. But anyways, I did my lashes. I like them, but she did classic instead of like full volume, but I think I'll get used to them with time. So yeah, let me pick shoes and then we'll take it from there.
But I swear that I'm not leaving. What you need is a reason. It's not meant to be easy. Then I did. Yeah. Then I did before. And I just can't let you go. I swear I tried to. I can't let you go. I swear I tried to. You know I tried to. And you never really say what you wanted from me, baby.
I like the pair that I just showed you guys. I think I'll take this pair and the other brown pair so that I have 2 pairs. Guys, it's gonna be so expensive, but let me just take 2 pairs so I can wear the other ones at work as well. I'll cut down on Tony's face.
Yeah, I know what you want. Yeah, I know what you want. No, I won't let you go. Then I did. Yeah. Then I did before. And I just can't let you go. I swear I tried to. I can't let you go.
welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Tamu Tanezi, popularly known as SitnSip.
Mas Smith has asked me to talk to you guys today about leading with purpose and boldness. So my presentation or my talk will revolve around that particular topic. I was not on the program, as you guys are aware, but I've jumped onto the program because of what she's already outlined, and it is a pleasure and an honor. It's always a pleasure to speak to young, beautiful ladies and to share my knowledge.
Nabahle. To sit down. Yeah. Cool. So. Mr. B or YouTube Busana. Quick. Wow. Yo, Mr. B. But I still love my besties. Besties, Mr. B or YouTube?
Hi everyone, hi guys, I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys are doing well, and thank you so much for getting to this point of the video. I am so sorry that I didn't upload this video like soon enough. The event was on Sunday, and I know that I did not brief you guys at all from Saturday all the way to Sunday, and that's simply because on Sunday I got so late trying to get ready for the event that I could not even pick up the camera and actually start speaking and updating you guys in terms of what was happening. So we attended the lovely event that Tamu Smith hosted, and I think that event was perfect. Like, it was so intimate, it was so well organized. Like, I don't know when last I went to an event and didn't line up for food, or went to an event and didn't line up for drinks. Like, it was so well organized that we had people serving us and the drinks were flowing, the food was delicious. Like, I give them a good 10 out of 10 for everything. It was beautiful, and the host served looks. The host was so hospitable to a point where she came and checked up on everyone during lunchtime while we were eating, just making sure that we are all okay, taking videos with everyone, and she maintained a good smile through it all. So I just came here to say thank you guys for watching and to close off the vlog. But before I do that, I come bearing goodies. Guys. They gave us this beautiful what do you call this, goodie bag. I think I will just insert the items that we received in this goodie bag, because there is so much lighting here that you guys won't be able to see. But anyways, we got a beautiful what do you call this, a toiletry bag by Clarence. Inside the toiletry bag they added a mascara, they added a gift card with like 100% discount code when you buy, not 100%, sorry, 100% discount code when you purchase their serum. I think it's a new serum that they launched, and excuse me. And then they also added a Dove shower gel, but the Dove shower gel is obviously sponsored by Dove. And then we also got a lovely magazine featuring Kamumpela. So it was a beautiful event, guys. I absolutely enjoyed it. I absolutely loved it. And then I also have another goodie bag as well from work, but I can't unbox that for you guys because of the lighting here, and it's white, and white just causes the lighting to be so bright. Sorry. So anyways, the unit that I have on is a 10-inch bob from Velmarish Hair. You guys saw me going to pick up the hair. I'm so sorry, I was a bad vlogger because of running late and also driving there, like speaking. There was a lot going on. Like I was so nervous because we're going to a new place, don't know it, so I didn't want to do too much talking. I just wanted to keep calm and arrive. So anyways, this unit I got it from Velmarish Hair. I think they're on TikTok and they also on Instagram, so you can just text them via WhatsApp. The number is on their social media platforms. Their Instagram and their TikTok has their WhatsApp number, so you can just WhatsApp them there. Anyways, I love the hair. I think the quality of the hair, I can give it a good 10 or a 9 because it's actually great. But the service was not good, but because of this stunning hair, I can give them benefit of the doubt and like let it slide. But otherwise, the service in store was not that great. On WhatsApp and on social media it's perfect because I think there's someone else handling the platform, right? But the service in the store, I was not happy because I went to the store 3 times to sort out this unit. The first time they gave it to me, it wasn't customized, and they didn't bother explaining that the hair was not customized. Second of all, when I went back to take it back, they wanted me to pay for customization, whereas they actually they charged me more for the unit. And when I went to collect it, it was still not trimmed. Like the ends were still unequal. They basically just bleached it, but they didn't actually fix the ends of the hair. So anyways, that's a story for another day. But otherwise, I'm really happy with this unit. So I just came here to officially close off the vlog. I've been speaking for 4 minutes, but you guys don't see me that much, so please forgive me for now. Thank you so much for coming back to watch. Please do subscribe, please do like the video, please do leave your feedback in the comments. Would you guys like me to talk more, or don't you guys don't want to see me? Is everything okay? Is there something I can improve on? I know my personality is still I'm still getting used of the camera. I'm still a bit shy here and there, but I'm trying my best. But anyways, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support and your love here on the internet.